Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Today's look, I wanted to use the James Charles palette, and I want to do another gray, brown, black eyeshadow look. I don't know yet, but we'll see where I can take it. So let's get started and see what I can come up with.
Alright, so I'm going to go in with Punch Me. I'm going to pack it in my crease and then do windshield wiper motions, and I'm going to build this color up, and then I'm going to make sure I blend it really well. Then next I'm going to take T and place it in my crease. I'm packing it and doing windshield wiper motions. Then I'm taking Tune and just kind of make sure everything's blended together. No harsh lines. And then I'm going to take Spooky, place it in my crease to deepen my crease. And then next I'm going to take some concealer to cut the crease. Alright, next up I'm going to take Flashback, and I added a couple layers on top of the concealer. And then I'm going back in with T, and I'm putting in the middle of Spooky and Flashback and blending. And then I'm taking everything I used in my crease down to my lower lash line and just make sure all the edges are well blended, no harsh lines. And again, I'm taking Spooky, T, Tune, next up, I'm taking Canvas to clean up any harsh lines. Go back in with Spooky and just kind of touch everything up. And then I'm going to take Ring Light and highlight my brow bone and my inner corner. That is the final look. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I hope y'all have a wonderful New Year's.